Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we cut through the noise and give you real, honest breakdowns of the latest tech accessories and gear. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best privacy filter glass screen protector on the market right now. The ZAGG Glass Elite Privacy Screen Protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's get straight into it. Out of the box, you're greeted with a premium presentation. ZAGG includes everything you need. The screen protector itself, an easy-apply installation tray, microfiber cloth, dust removal sticker, and a squeegee for final touches. Even before applying, you can tell the material feels tough. This isn't your average cheap screen protector. Now, let's talk about privacy, the key selling point. This screen protector features a two-way privacy filter, meaning it only allows clear viewing from directly in front of the screen. It's ideal for professionals who work in public spaces, or anyone who just values their on-screen privacy without sacrificing clarity. The filter doesn't dim your view or distort colors. Everything remains crisp and vibrant when viewed straight on. ZAGG advertises this protector as being 5x stronger than traditional glass. That's a bold claim, but it lives up to it. The tempered glass is reinforced to resist shattering and scratches from drops, keys, coins, all the things you might toss in a pocket or bag. And if you're wondering about screen responsiveness, it's flawless. No lag, no sticky swipes, and no interference with Face ID. Here's another highlight. ZAGG uses something they call clear print technology, which basically means fingerprints disappear almost as soon as they appear. If you've ever used a screen protector that constantly looks greasy, you'll appreciate how smudge-resistant this one is. Your display stays clear, clean, and sharp, with far less wiping throughout the day. ZAGG is also putting effort into sustainability here. The glass is made with up to 30% post-consumer recycled content and is TÜV Rheinland certified. The packaging is 100% recyclable, too. For environmentally conscious buyers, this adds a solid bonus point. Installation is always the most nerve-wracking part of applying a screen protector. But ZAGG makes it practically foolproof with its easy-apply tray. It aligns the glass perfectly with your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Combined with the anti-dust adhesive, you're looking at a bubble-free, stress-free install. Even if you're doing this for the first time, it takes less than 5 minutes and leaves you with a seamless, professional look. But considering what you're getting, serious protection, advanced privacy, fingerprint resistance, eco-credentials, and a perfect install, it justifies the price tag for those who want top-tier screen protection. This screen protector is perfect for business travelers, students, commuters, or anyone concerned with screen privacy and durability. If you're using your phone in public a lot, and you don't want to compromise on screen quality, this is made for you. To sum it up, the ZAGG Glass Elite Privacy Screen Protector for iPhone 16 Pro Max combines serious durability, true privacy filtering, clean aesthetics, and eco-conscious design. It's not the cheapest option, but it's one of the best built and most thoughtfully designed ones out there. If you're serious about protecting your screen and your privacy, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and subscribe for more honest product reviews coming your way. Catch you in the next one.